This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for March 19th, 2025, and I'm Sam Abu-Al-Samad, VP of Market Research for Telemetry. This is the week of Nvidia's annual GPU Technology Conference, or GTC. It's primarily a developer conference for those utilizing Nvidia's chips for all sorts of applications, but it also always includes a lengthy keynote from company founder and CEO Jensen Huang. The keynote usually includes some new product announcements and partnerships. While Nvidia launched in the 1990s building video cards for PCs, its chips are now used in everything from robotics to vehicles to AI data centers. In the last 15 years in particular, Nvidia chips have been at the core of most automated driving system development, but they've also been widely used to power infotainment systems in vehicles. Several generations of Nvidia chips have been used in vehicles from Tegra to Xavier to Orin, and the next big leap forward is Thor. Each of these has produced an almost order of magnitude increase in AI processing performance. Xavier could do 30 trillion operations per second, or TOPS. Orin had 250 TOPS, and Thor is 2,000 TOPS. Orin chips are being increasingly widely used in new vehicles, with numerous Chinese OEMs adopting it first beginning in 2022, with Volvo, Polestar, and now Mercedes-Benz launching vehicles with the chip. At GTC 2025, Huang announced a new partnership with General Motors, which will transition from Qualcomm Snapdragon cockpit and ride chips that had just launched a few years ago on the Cadillac Lyriq to Thor in its next generation vehicles. GM's also going to be utilizing Nvidia systems for training new AI models and Nvidia's Omniverse simulation platform to help optimize the layout and processes of its factories. Also at GTC, Gatik announced that it will be using Thor in the next generation of its automated driving system for middle-mile delivery trucks, and Daimler Truck-owned Torque Robotics is doing the same for its long-haul semi system. Earlier this year at CES, Aurora Innovation made a similar announcement for the automated driving kit that will be produced by Continental, and Magna will produce compute platforms with Thor and Nvidia's Drive OS software platform. Nvidia is rapidly gaining traction across the industry with its next-generation compute platform and taking business away from key competitors like Qualcomm. The big question now is, will they be able to hang on to their business in China, where OEMs have increasingly been shifting towards domestic suppliers like Horizon Robotics? Thanks for listening, and I'll be back tomorrow.